Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to change viewport. So if you want to change viewport, you can type viewport, press enter, and we'll be sure for the viewports dialog box. So in here we have a lot of options. You can use the singles as a default. They are to vertical or horizontal, to right, left, above, below, and vertical, and also horizontal, and another for equal right and left. As example, I will use this for right. You can click OK, and the viewport will be automatically changed. You also can add the viewport in here, like I will select at this point. You can move to the bottom here, click to combine between these two viewports. So you can recess again the viewport. If you want to change back into the default one or single viewport, you can tap again viewport, press enter, and then you can choose the single, click OK. It will be back into the default. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD tutorial, how to change viewports. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.